how much time is it going to take you to do a $7,500 tax plan, right? $7,500 tax plan. I would say it really should not take you, for your very first one ever doing this, including the time to go through our training and everything, should not take you any more than 10 hours if you're completely clueless and you don't even know what's going on. Think about that. That's $750 an hour, guys, right? That's $750 an hour right there. But once you get through this and you start working with the same people over and over, you work with real estate investors over and over, James, how long could it take somebody to go through this?
2 hours, maybe 3.
Think about that, guys. Now you might say, oh my gosh, that's cheating someone. Oh, it's cheating. Get the pitchfork, that's cheating. Guys, it ain't cheating if they're winning. Are they gonna save the money on taxes? Are they gonna save the money on taxes?
Yes, they're absolutely gonna save the
That's all that matters. Are you charging your time? Are you just out there selling time? You having a garage sale and your time is cheap? Or are you helping people get results? Guys, are you helping people get results? So frankly, I'd love to get that down to 15 seconds. Imagine if you could get on the call and you're like, hey, it's $7,500 and you could save $18,000 in taxes in 15 seconds. Boom, wouldn't we all take that? If we could get that down to 15 seconds, that'd be even better. So I'm always trying to get that down, guys. I wanna get that down. By the way, that's how good business is run. Good business is run with efficiency, right? Minimizing the actual time to deliver the actual value, but increasing the value. There are certain things that take a lot of time and have basically no value. Banging nails, right? You're a construction worker, you work hard, you put a lot of time into it, not that valuable, right? So there are things where you work hard, you put a lot of time into it, but it's not that valuable. And then there are some things where you have to work hard and it's valuable. So, you make $7,500, but you have to work 75 hours, right? Okay, so 75 hours, right? There's those things, right? And then there's some things where it's really valuable and it doesn't take you a lot of time, right? It doesn't take you a lot of time. That is where the opportunity is. Tons of value for the business owner, not that much work for us. That's where we're always trying to focus. And that's the only way to expand margins, grow quickly, like get your business to a different level. Like you can't keep thinking about just trading time for money. You got to get away from that deadly trap.